Pag-uusapan natin ang pinakamadaling college degree at ang number 1 dyan ay ang psychology. Hindi ako nagsabi niyan, balag yan ni Miss Hailey Milliman. Siya yung iba niya. Yung rationale niya, yung psych major is focused on human psyche, which is true naman. And we tend to understand people motives and desire. And as psych major, according sa blog niya, natututo lang daw tayo ng mga konting analysis and communication, and yung entry level ng statistics lang ang inaaral natin. Tapos yung difficulty ay nasa advanced degree or nasa postgraduate or graduate school. It's a common knowledge naman na mahirap talaga lahat ng degree. Kaya nga pinapapili tayo ng mga business guru natin kung diploma o diskarte. Pero let's go back to the topic. Way back 2018 nung nag-take ako ng board exam for psychometrician. Pagka-graduate mo kasi ng psychology, pwede kang mag-take ng board exam for psychometrician. Na ang result namin, nung batch ko, 4,035 out of 8,453 nakapasa, which means mga 43% to 44% lang yung passing rate namin. So, kayo na mag-decide kung mahirap ba yon o hindi, dahil yung mean average ng mga licensure examinations sa Pilipinas usually 50% up. Yung mga subject namin nung 4th year ako, research, biochemistry, organic chemistry, decide na lang kayo kung madali ba yan o mahirap.